everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of homophones. If you've ever been confused by words that sound the same but have different meanings, you are in the right place. We've got 10 common homophones lined up for you, complete with meanings and examples. So, let's get started. Let's learn the definition of homophones. Homophones are words that sound alike but have different meanings and often different spellings. They add extra layer of complexity to the English language, challenging both native speakers and learners alike. First up, we have the trio there, and there. These words are often misused, but fear not, we are here to clarify. THERE, there, refers to a place or location. For an example, I left my keys over there. THEIR, there, is a possessive pronoun indicating ownership. The students forgot to bring their textbooks. THEY''RE, there is the contraction of they are. They are going to the movies tonight. Next, let's tackle two, and two. These may look similar, but they serve different purposes. To is a preposition indicating direction or intention. I'm going to the store. TOO means also or excessively. I want ice cream too. TWO2 is the number 2. I have 2 cats. The classic your and your. Mixing these up is a common mistake, but we're here to help you out. YOUR, your is a possessive form of you. Is this your book? YOU'RE is a contraction form of you are. You are doing a great job. Now let's unravel the mystery of if and its. its is a possessive pronoun showing ownership. Cat licked its paws. IT'S is a contraction of it is or it has. It's a beautiful day. Our next set of homophones is affect and effect. Affect is a verb that means to influence or produce a change. The new policy will affect the entire company. Effect, on the other hand, is a noun that represents the result or outcome of a specific action. The new law had a positive effect on the community. So, remember, affect is an action and effect is the result. Now, let's differentiate between past and past. PASSET, past is the past tense of the verb pass. He passed the exam. PAST, past refers to a time that has gone by. In the past, we used to play together. Up next, we have weather and weather. This may trip you up, but not after this. WEATHER, weather, refers to the atmospheric conditions. The weather is sunny today. WHETHER, weather, is used to express a condition or choice. I don't know whether to laugh or cry. Let's explore the difference between principle and principle. PRINCIPLE, principle, is a fundamental truth or guiding rule. He believes in the principle of honesty. PRINCIPAL principle refers to a person who holds a leading position often in a school. The principal congratulated the students. Now let's talk for a moment to discuss break and break. BREAK. Break is a pause or a rest. Let's take a break. BRAKE. Brake is a device used to stop or slow down a vehicle. Apply the brake slowly. Last but not least, we have floor and flower. Two words that might look alike but have entirely different meanings. FLOUR, flour, is a powdery substance used in baking. Add a cup of flour to the recipe. Flower is the bloom of a plant. She received a beautiful bouquet of flowers. And there you have it, folks. 10 common homophones explained with meanings and examples. I hope this clears up any confusion you might have had. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Until next time, happy learning. Bye.